Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to talk about breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Breakfast is an important meal for everyone, but it's especially important for people with diabetes. Eating a healthy breakfast can help regulate blood sugar levels and provide the energy needed for the day ahead. In this video, we'll be discussing 11 of the healthiest breakfast foods that every diabetic should eat. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a high-fiber food that helps regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. It's also low in fat and calories, making it an excellent choice for people with diabetes. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in carbohydrates, making it an ideal breakfast food for people with diabetes. It also contains probiotics, which can help improve gut health. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and are low in carbohydrates. They're also rich in nutrients such as vitamin D, which is important for bone health. Whole grain toast. Whole grain toast is a good source of complex carbohydrates, which help regulate blood sugar levels. It's also high in fiber, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Avocado. Avocado is a healthy fat that's high in fiber and low in carbohydrates. It's also a good source of potassium, which can help lower blood pressure. Berries. Berries are low in sugar and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for people with diabetes. They're also high in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation. Nuts. Nuts are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're also low in carbohydrates, making them a great choice for people with diabetes. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a good source of fiber and protein, and they're also low in carbohydrates. They can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve gut health. Smoothies. Smoothies made with low-sugar fruits, vegetables, and Greek yogurt or protein powder can be a nutritious and satisfying breakfast option for people with diabetes. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a high-protein, low-carbohydrate food that can help regulate blood sugar levels. It's also a good source of calcium, which is important for bone health. Spinach. Spinach is a low-carbohydrate vegetable that's high in fiber and antioxidants. It's also a good source of vitamin K, which is important for bone health. So, there you have it, 11 of the healthiest breakfast foods for people with diabetes. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and eating a healthy breakfast can help regulate blood sugar levels and provide the energy needed for the day ahead. By incorporating these foods into your breakfast routine, you can start your day off on the right foot and maintain good health. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.